Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Gazier. We'll dive into their distinct freestyle rap styles and see what makes each artist a formidable competitor. Excel often captivates with his complex wordplay and smooth delivery, while Gazier is celebrated for his sharp, impactful punchlines. We'll explore how their individual strengths contribute to their success and what sets them apart in the competitive world of rap battles. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of two incredible talents. Excel brings a unique intellectual depth to his battles, often weaving together complex narratives and multisyllabic rhymes that leave audiences impressed. His flow is incredibly adaptable, allowing him to ride any beat with a smooth, almost effortless precision. He's known for his ability to construct elaborate wordplay, delivering lines that require a second listen to fully appreciate their cleverness. This mastery of language and rhythm makes Excel a truly captivating performer in the freestyle arena. Gazier, on the other hand, is a force of nature, known for his relentless aggression and devastating punchlines that hit hard and fast. He thrives on direct confrontation, often using his quick wit to dismantle his opponents with surgical precision. His stage presence is undeniably powerful, exuding a confidence and intensity that electrifies the crowd. Gazier's ability to adapt quickly and deliver impactful responses makes him a formidable opponent who consistently keeps his adversaries on their toes. Ultimately, deciding who reigns supreme between Excel and Gazier often comes down to personal preference. Excel's artistry shines through his intricate wordplay and sophisticated flow, appealing to those who appreciate lyrical depth. Gazier's aggressive punchlines and commanding presence resonate with fans who love raw power and direct confrontation. Both have left an indelible mark on the freestyle scene, pushing the boundaries of the art form. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.